Hey guys, it's Tyler Rides from Vital, or I Skate, I Ride from YouTube. This is just a bike check of my 2009 Eastern Traildigger. Starting off in the front, we have BSD ghetto forks to a animal jump off stem with Sunday tall T-bars, 130 chromoly, 28.5 width, 8.7 rise, 4-degree up sweep, ODI long neck grips with Stolen Vortex bar ends. Down here we have Animal GLH lace 2 Shadow Raptor with the black sheep and the blue laces. And heading towards the back I have my Shadow Conspiracy Slimmer seat, my crankset, the Madeira Protocol graffitis with the premium Narstar 25 tooth with the mechanic half link chain. On the back we have Shadow Peg, and then we have our black sheep with a 2.1 Animal GLH with the Raptor 9-tooth right hand drive. And that sums my bike check up.